1. You are not supposed to be liked. Let me break your illusion. Most men are desperate to be liked. They think, if I compliment her, text her good morning, call her beautiful every 5 minutes, she'll love me. Wrong. She doesn't want to be worshipped. She wants to earn your attention. Because here's the brutal law of attraction. We only value what we have to work for. If it's handed to us on a silver plate, we get bored. So while you're busy simping, she's fantasizing about the guy who makes her feel uncertain, intrigued, and slightly off balance. He's not rude. He's just not desperate. He's not trying to win her. She's trying to win him. Women don't obsess over what a man has or says. They obsess over how he makes them feel. 2. Stop chasing. Start leading. Let's get something straight. You don't chase women, you attract them. And attraction isn't a dance, it's a game of power. And the player with the most self-control wins. You know what makes a woman obsessed? A man who doesn't need her validation, who doesn't jump at every message, who doesn't rearrange his life just because she's free tonight. That man is rare. That man is expensive. That man is you if you start acting like it. The second you stop trying to be chosen, you become the one who chooses. Many men make the mistake of trying too hard, being too available, showing constant interest. This neediness kills attraction. Women are more drawn to men who create experiences, who are intriguing, exciting, and challenging. 3. Scarcity creates value. Let me tell you why she ghosted you. Because you made yourself too available. You were everywhere in her phone, in her DMs, in her schedule. And anything that's everywhere is worth nothing. Now look at diamonds. They're rare. They don't beg. They don't apologize for shining. That's why they're valuable. Women don't chase what's always there. They chase what's scarce. So stop offering yourself like a buy one, get one free sale. Start acting like a limited edition. Make her earn the next conversation. Make her wonder what you're thinking. Make her work for your time like it's gold. Because guess what? It is. Just like rare luxury items are more desired, a man who is not always available becomes more valuable. When a woman has to work for a man's attention, she experiences cognitive dissonance, making her value him more. Women are drawn to men who project scarcity, who seem valuable and harder to attain. 4. Mystery is your weapon. Now here's a secret. Predictability kills attraction. If she already knows how your story ends, she closes the book. But if she can't quite figure you out, if she's constantly guessing what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what your next move is, that's when she gets hooked. It's called the Zeigarnik effect. Or brains crave closure. Leave gaps, leave questions. Let her wonder. If she asks, "What do you do for a living?" Don't give a resume. Say, "I help people see the world differently." That's all you need to know for now. Smile, walk away. That's power. That's control. That's the kind of response she'll think about all night. Predictability kills attraction. Use mystery to generate obsession. 5. Be the storm she can't predict. You ever watch a storm roll in? Dark clouds, cold wind, the air shifts. You feel something's coming, but you don't know when or how hard it'll hit. That's the energy you need. Be the storm, not the sunshine. The sunshine is predictable, comfortable, but the storm? It's unforgettable. So instead of showering her with praise, let her wonder if you even noticed her outfit. Instead of texting her every morning, wait, let her crave your name lighting up her screen. You're not trying to be cruel, you're building tension. And tension is the fuel of obsession. 6. Become the one she can't forget. Let me leave you with this. The man who doesn't need her is the one she wants most. Not because he plays games, but because he's already whole. He's not trying to fill a void. He's not begging to be loved. He's not seeking approval. He is the approval. And when you become that man, the one who leads, the one who's rare, the one who's untouchable, you'll notice something strange. She'll start chasing you. Not because you did anything extraordinary, but because you finally stopped trying. Attraction isn't fair, and while most men are playing the role of a puppy, begging for love, the ones who win, they're the wolves. Unbothered, mysterious, focused, and women obsess over them. To support this channel, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be dropping more truths that most people are too soft to hear. There are two types of men. The pleaser constantly compliments, replies instantly, and tries too hard. The challenge doesn't seek approval, isn't always available, sets the tone of the interaction. The second type sparks desire because he's self-assured and not dependent on her validation. This is the art of real attraction. Stay stoic. See you in the next one.